Ado Sadhya Tato Sadhu Sangha. If one has little faith, the next stage is that he should come and live with us for some days. And if he lives with us for a few days, then he becomes infected with the ecstasy. Ado Sadhya Tato Sadhu Sangha. And as soon as one is little infected by the ecstasy, then he likes to become one of us. Just like if you contaminate some infectious disease, naturally the disease will develop. Similarly, as soon as you contaminate this Krishna consciousness disease, it will develop. Then he solicits for being initiated. Yes. Ado Sadhya Tato Sadhu Sangha Ato Bhajana Kriya. Bhajana Kriya means, why not engage myself as one of the devotees? This is called Bhajana Kriya. And as soon as there is Bhajana Kriya or devotional service, immediately Anartha Nimitti Syat. Anartha means unwanted things. They become vanquished.